Samsung opened its first Metaverse store in Decentraland. The store is called Samsung 837X. So they named it after its physical flagship store in New York. This is a giant step for the electronic giant Samsung. The big leap into the metaverse. It also shows that a big tech, they really want to make the metaverse a reality. In this video, we'll go right into the metaverse and we'll go into Samsung's own flagship store. So that way you can see what they have there now, and maybe we'll get to talk about probably what plans they have for the future and all that stuff. Let's go. This is Samsung's flagship store in Decentraland, one of crypto's most popular virtual worlds. According to Samsung press release, it is one of the largest brand land takeovers in Decentraland. When it was opened, you can see there were some raffle tickets for people to win some NFTs, but that has ended now. So after going in through the entrance, this is what you see. Now we're right there in Samsung Metaverse, Samsung 837S. Yeah, you can see some mesh here, and that's my avatar. I made in Decentraland. I call it Enitech. So right here, you can see right, yeah, the yellowish one is a connectivity theater. Yeah. And after that, greenish one is a sustainability forest. That's what Samsung calls it. Yeah. They are all triangular in shape, the entrance. And this pink one is the customization stuff. Maybe this is like a public square, the open part of it. Probably people can hang out here and meet other people, stuff like that. Now it's back to the open space where you can be able to go into one of the triangular entrance, I'll call it. Yeah, so let's try the sustainability forest. Yeah, the cool place, I think. Ancient wisdom for those who go beneath. Yeah, something like that. So just like there are millions of trees here in Samsung's own metaverse. Let's see what else we can do. I'm really good at gaming, so showing off as just managing to keep it on track. Yeah. So one can go through the forest, and I'm sure in the near future a lot of people will be here. You can meet your friends, can do stuff together out there, take a walk, go up this walkways. Yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah. So this is the sustainability forest. Yeah, actually, Samsung, the South Korean electronics giant, they also planting trees in the real world. Yeah, they're doing that. In Madagascar, the goal is to help to plant some 2 million trees there. Here we're back to the main open area where you can have entrance to the triangle, one of the triangle places. That's the main entrance to the open area. Also the main exit to get out of this place. Perhaps in the future they're gonna have Samsung products surely all over all the place on display. Okay, so now we've gone into the connectivity theater. Yeah. So during the first week of January, CES 2022, so live, as you can see from the very large screens there, Samsung, a keynote address, a CES, they were able to show that live here. So if you were here in the Metaverse, you can see all of what is going on. You could choose to sit there or just relax and enjoy what is going on. So maybe in the future, Samsung could still use this for some of their virtual events or things like that. Yeah. So this is the connectivity theater. Okay. So when we leave here, as usual, we can go back to the open area again and check out some stuff, some mesh, NFTs, free Samsung products. I hope in the future the commerce part of it will really come to life, where someone can maybe almost like real life check out the TV you want to buy, refrigerator or some other electronics, cut them like in real life, or you place your order and get delivered to you in the real world. Maybe something like that would be really cool. Okay, now we're back in the open area. We're gonna take our exit. Yeah. Yeah. Samsung really have done some giant strides in going into the Metaverse and opening its first store. The first week of January 2022, Samsung announced that it will be integrating an NFT browser and marketplace aggregator into its 2022 premium TV product line. That's a huge one. So Samsung, this move is a very positive one for the crypto industry, and it shows that for the Metaverse, the future is here. Though Metaverse is still in its really early stage, might take some 5-10 years down the line to really get a better version of it. If you like to learn more about the Metaverse and what it means, we have a video. It will pop up in your top right corner. You see it right there. and you can watch that video, and he has all the details about the metaverse, what it's all about, and how it can benefit you. Decentraland is also a great benefactor of this, and it's native token mana. If you want to grab some mana to invest, if you are into crypto or stuff like that, that's good, but not financial advice. That's something good. So please like our video if you found value, and do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we put up new content, and get your friends to join us and subscribe. Join Enitech. We'll always bring to you honest and very simple analysis, tech news, and all of that. Please do subscribe. So until the next time, this is Enitech. Thank you very much.